What is up, YouTube? We back. Another 1 minute, I guess. We got an Air Max 270 Be True. Now, I didn't know in the pictures. I thought the upper was white. I didn't look closely enough. This is like a purple. It's like a light purple color. And then obviously it has the Be True for the LGBT community. And I just think it's a dope shoe. The Air Max 270 has really grown on me. I even like the box. I just think this will go down and will be in talks for shoe of the year. They look so clean on foot. They're only $160 and they're selling really well. When they drop colorways like this, they sell really well. These sold out in 2 minutes. I'm gonna say 2 minutes tops. But to me, it is just a dope shoe. Obviously, the cause is dope. It's what we doing, man. 1 minute, fire. 270. I'm out, bro.